Today on Draw Stuff Real Easy, I'm going to show you how to draw a half-pipe snowboarder as a pictogram for the Pyeongchang Games in Korea. So look, that's going to be the head. And then if we take a line through like that, then we're going to want the body about like that. And then the arms, so we need a little curve here. Imagine that's the shoulder as a ball there. And then we want the arm coming out like that, getting slightly thinner. And then we need this to be coming pretty vertically, about like that. Look, now I keep saying, you know, when I'm sketching like this, I'm sketching really gently. I'm hardly touching the paper. And if you do that, you're going to find it a lot easier to erase the lines later, because we're going to cover it over with ink in a moment. So there is the kind of the knee, and then this is going to curve like that. Now all these shapes, it's really clever. They've all been kind of designed from the Korean alphabet, which is a very pictographic alphabet. And now we're going to want to get this kind of quite steep. This is the snowboard here, and so all these kind of shapes here, they're kind of like elements from the Korean alphabet, really. I think it's been very cleverly designed. And I've said before this week, I think drawing things like this is really good, because it's a brilliant designer has actually designed this. So it's kind of good to get into the mind of another designer. I think the head is just a little bit big. So if you kind of draw someone's designs, you kind of get inside their mind. So now I'm going to draw the head, and a nice circle for that, and then I'm going to draw from here. I think I'm going to come down there and around and down there and into there. Now I can go straight into there because I'm going to fill it in later, and I think I'm going to now go from there and around the corner, and again here, around down there, and then a down there, and then that will come here, across and down. This will come here and down and round like that. And then we need to draw the snowboard. So I'm going to just go straight down there like that. And oh, got a bit wobbly there. I think it's the wood on the table underneath, dragging my pen into a kind of a groove. I'm just filling in these kind of corners because that makes it easier a bit later. Then when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines, and you can erase them easily because you didn't press too hard in the first place. If you press too hard, it kind of gets grained into the paper and makes it really difficult to erase. Now we also need the half pipe, so that's actually sort of coming from about there. It's coming just above where the hand is there, so it's going to be coming kind of around like this, and it'll be coming in a semicircle half pipe shape to about there. So if you get one curve in first, then the next curve needs to be kind of, that line needs to be equidistant to the first, if that makes sense. And that's not quite, it's gone a bit wobbly there, so I'm just going to smooth that a bit. Now since you are still watching, you obviously enjoy drawing, so why don't you come down here, click that subscribe button, and make sure that you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back every day almost. At the moment, during the weekdays, I'm doing about a video every day, and I do lots of random kind of videos how to draw stuff. And just by drawing different stuff every day, you can learn about drawing and have fun at the same time. So make sure you are subscribed and keep coming back. Sometimes I'm never quite sure what drawing I need to do next, and then somebody will make a comment in the comments box down below and say, can you please draw A? And sometimes it's something I've never ever thought of. I go, wow, brilliant idea. And so I will do that. And sometimes they say, can you draw A? And I've done it before. So before you actually ask, go into the search box up above and write draw stuff real easy and then the name of the thing you want me to draw, and see if I've actually done it already, because I have done a lot of how to draw videos. There we go, how to draw a snowboarder pictogram on Draw Stuff Real Easy. And make sure you are subscribed and keep coming back every week for lots and lots more videos. And in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now, bye bye.